You know that bike up at your shop that's flat? It's not flat. It's a single tone gray. Gloss, just like
Nardo gray?
Yeah, I was going to say Audi Nardo gray.
Yeah, I want that.
Yeah, you want that battleship gray kind of
Let's
look?
do
Yeah, but like battleship gray, but it like gloss on the outside.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Oh, we can do that.
I don't know why, but I just really like that.
'Cause you're a
color
millennial.
gray. Probably.
Yeah, millennials are obsessed with gray.
50 Shades of Gray.
Mm-hmm.